Hey traders, it's Josh with the King's Crypto, and we're about to have our first ever small account recap. So today I just started a new intro program with TradeNet. What it is, it's a $14,000 day trading account for just $450. It comes with access to their chat room, and it also comes with a whole self-study course of education. You definitely want to check it out. I've got a link for 10% off down in the description to this video. But anyways, okay, so day one of the challenge, up $510.50. So I'm already up on the account, as like I said, it's only cost $450, up $500 today. Okay, so yesterday STAF had this just monster day, and then today it just had a lot of weakness going into the open. Let's actually pull up the 1 minute candles. Okay, so right when the market opened, see the nice spike up, and then the rejection of $5 just poked right through. Very obviously weak watching the tape, the time and sales as it got slammed back down through $5. I was actually trying to short at 490, 500 shares, and got filled at 470. But as you see, it worked out quite nicely anyway as we flushed down through VWAP. I covered at 434, 430, and 420. So I didn't bother hitting the reshort once we kind of bear flagged and rejected this ascending support. I was watching a couple other stocks also this morning. I was watching GBR. Just hit a small short on GBR at 9:55. Let's see. Okay. So at 407. So basically, as we were just about to crack below VWAP right here, and then I covered at 392. So just quick little scalp, 300 shares. Next, I kind of overtraded today on BLIN a little bit, but almost all of these trades were winners. So can you really even say it was overtrading? Anyways, here we go. Let's take a look at the trades. Okay, so at 10 o'clock, I went ahead and went short at $3.30. And I got faked out. I bought right at the top of this wick right here. Complete loser, I know. Just make fun of me in the comment section. I already know it's coming, but it's whatever. This 325 pivot was definitely a very, very important figure. Anyways, as we jumped back below this pivot, I got short at 323 and covered up at 312. Went long at 329 at 1049. Let's see. Okay, so on this dip here, went long at 329, sold at 336. So basically at the top of this consolidation right here. Excuse me. So then flipped short at 329, added another 100 shares at 331. This would have been in the afternoon. Right through here. Basically after this breakdown, popped back up, and then it kind of started to drift. I started loading up on some shares short. Just 400 shares. See, so I covered 300 at 317, which was right at VWAP. Just had an order sitting there waiting for just possibly something like this if it didn't want to break down yet. But we did break down through VWAP and get the big flush lower. And then I covered the rest of this short at 305. Okay, so then I guess I went short 500 shares and jumped right back out of it. Pretty much break even. And then this is where I kind of started getting aggressive. I went short 310, 500 shares, 316 right at VWAP, 500 shares. And then I started really scaling in 324, 1,000 shares, and 330, 1,000 shares. Then I just put my order right at VWAP to cover up on 2,500 of those 3,000 shares there at 317. I covered up another 300 at 318, and then got looks like I got faked out of the rest at 321. Nope, it was right here. Okay, yeah, so I covered up the rest, got faked out. Thought this thing was trying to reverse. NVRO, this one's almost not even worth taking a look at. I didn't see this one until really late in the day. Okay, so you see this was just the all-day fade. Started at $75, faded all the way down to a low of $62.70. I went long for a reversal here at 63.47. Actually, I went long right here at 63.47. And as we started to get this push lower, I was trying to buy more at 63.17, but I had a limit order set and wasn't accepting the limit order because the limit order was too high. And then by the time I got switched to a market order, we started getting this huge bull engulfment candle, and I just went ahead and held the shares that I had. I went really, really safe with this trade as it was a all-day grinder. At first I'd had a sell order at 64.37. You see, I would have got filled nicely on this candle here, but I canceled and bailed early. We were starting to actually get a storm, and I have satellite internet, and I wasn't wanting to be caught in a slow grind down with no power or something like that, or with no internet connection.